So students, good morning once again. We start with the rate analysis. Problem number 2, the rate analysis for RCC, including steel reinforcement. So again, here we have to consider 10 cubic meter of the wet volume. We have to increase that wet volume by 52% to get the dry volume. So the dry volume is equal to 52% more of wet volume, that is equal to 15.2 cubic meter. Here it is. After that, what you have to do is, first of all, you are calculating the material. So volume of cement is again what, 15.2 is the total dry volume divided by addition of proportion 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1. It will be how much? 62.5 bags. Then the volume of sand is equal to 4.84 cubic meter, whereas the volume of aggregate is 8.68 cubic meter. Now, volume of steel reinforcement at the rate of 1% of volume of RCC. Now, here RCC we have to assume as per the thumbs rule as 1% of the volume of the concrete will be the total weight of the steel. So 1 upon 10 into 10 will be 0.1 cubic meter. So 0.1 cubic meter means how many kgs of steel is required? 0.1 into 7850 kg. That is 785 kg, or we can say 0.78 tons. And whereas binding wire will be 10 kg per ton, so it will be near about 8 kgs. So in this manner, very easily you have to calculate the material required. Now after this, the particulars, quantity, rate, per, amount. In that, first of all, again the material. How much quantity of cement is required? 62.5 bags of cement is required. The rate is 250. Just multiply the quantity with the rate. You will get 15,625. How much sand is required or fine aggregate is required? It is 4.34 cubic meter. The rate is 653 per cubic meter. Sorry. So it will be 2835.326 paise. In the same way, coarse aggregate is 8.68. The rate is 417 per cubic meter. So the total will be 6,221. That is equal to 3621.228. Whereas steel 0.785 tons, the rate is 31,600 per ton. 31,600 into 0.785 will be 24,806. Whereas the binding wire required is 8 kg and the rate is 61 per kg, so it will be 488. Now, how many number of laborers are required? In laborers also, first of all, head mason half, the rate is 176 per day. So automatically for a half head mason, it will be 88. Then the mason, 3 number of masons are required. The rate is 165. So 495 will be the total. Male mazdoor, 15 numbers. Female mazdoor, 10 numbers. Bhijti, 2 numbers. Blacksmith, 15 numbers. Blacksmith means the person who cuts, who arranges, and who ties the steel in their required position. And at last, contains tools and plants. That is lump sum. So female mazdoor 10, the rate is 160, 1,600. Bhijti 2 numbers are required, the rate is 165, 330 rupees are required. Whereas for blacksmith, lump sum is 15 numbers of blacksmiths are required, the rate is 165 per day or per number. So 2,475 rupees are required. The lump sum for tools and plants and contingencies is 200. After that, the third part required for this RCC work is centering, shuttering, and removing. So first of all, the centering is required. After that, the shuttering is required and removing. म्हणजे काय बघा, सेंटरिंग बांधणे, त्याला खाली फॉर्मवर्क लावून सेंटरिंग बांधून घेऊन स्टील बांधून परत स्टील झाल्यानंतर ते क्युरिंग झाल्यानंतर काढून टाकणे, या सगळ्या गोष्टी यात येतात. मग कसं घ्यायचं असतंय? 5% ऑफ cost of घ्यायचं असते. किती घ्यायचं असते? टोटल कॉस्टचं 5% घ्यायचं असते. तर ते किती येतंय? 5 डिवायडेड बाय 100 इंटू 47,375 वरचं टोटल जे मटेरियल आलंय त्याच्या 5% घ्यायचं, ते 2368 रुपये येतात. त्यानंतर या पुढे कोण येणार? कार्पेंटर किती येतात बघा, 10 नंबर कार्पेंटर लागतात. त्यासाठी लमसम घ्या परत. मजदूर 5, नेल्स लमसम 100 रुपये. अशा पद्धतीने घेतल्यानंतर ते टोटल येईल तुमचं 57,431. सो त्यानंतर वॉटर चार्जेस घ्या 1.5%, 861.47. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स प्रॉफिट 10%, 5,743.15. ग्रँड टोटल येईल 64,036 रुपीज. And rate per cubic meter is 64,036 divided by 10, that is 64,036. It will be actually 6,403. Here it is, rate per cubic meter is 6,403. In this manner, very easily we have to calculate all the things that are required for RCC work. We'll continue in the next lecture with the new problem.